morning, you. So today I'm going to show you all some stuffs that I have from DILI Naturals. Yes, DILI Naturals. They sell like treatments for hair, like organic treatments for natural hair. They don't sell, like, they don't do shampoos and conditioners, like, you know. Yeah, they just do natural, like Ayurvedic powders and stuffs for natural hair. And I have some of their products here with me. I had a little complications from my scalp because of my nails, and I thought it will go after a few these things, but nah, so I need a proper scalp treatment. Yeah, so luckily for me, I have these products from DILI Naturals. So I'm going to show you what they have and what I'm going to be using today. I'm just going to be using one of their products today. So first of all, here is the DILI Naturals Ayurveda mix pack. So this is a mixture of Ayurvedic herbs, which is good for natural hair treatment. I'm sure some of you have heard of Ayurvedic powders. So this is from DILI Naturals, and what I really like about them is I don't want to be biased here, but it's affordable. Well, I think it says it has about 15. Oh, it has over 15 contains over 15 Ayurvedic powders, best proven, potent for healthy hair and scalp. Gosh, over 15. Just imagine over 15 in one pack for this affordable price. And oh gosh, let me just end it here. And the same applies to the herbal tea mix. I really like herbal tea mixes for hair. It's just that I've never tried some before, but then I have tried Ayurvedic powders before, but I haven't tried I haven't tried herbal tea mix before, even though I really love it. I love it, but I've not tried it before. This is because it's expensive. It's expensive from other places, because you want to buy lavender, you want to buy maybe neem, you want to buy like all those tea herbs that are good for hair, and reduces hair loss, reduces breakages, reduces hair fall, like closes your cuticles, and oh gosh, all these I just couldn't afford it. But then I got all in one pack at an affordable price. So go check out their page on Instagram, DILI Naturals. Is there any underscore? I'll leave the name in the description box, and I'll leave the name in my description box, and I will leave I'll type it somewhere around here I guess. Yeah, around here. So it's over here. And I got carrot oil. I've used carrot oil on my hair before when I was applying heat, and it was bump. And I got it from DILI Naturals at an affordable. One thing I like about this brand is that everything is affordable, quality, but then affordable, because it's like they care about their customers. Yeah. So okay, and this is the DILI Naturals Essential Hair Growth Oil. It's a combination of essential oils that are potent in nutrients to promote healthy hair growth, and promote healthy hair growth and promote your hair. And I've been using it mostly on my edges. I've never lost my edges. It's just that I was born with thin and low dense edges, so I just tried to put it to the test in helping my edges, I don't know, get fuller or something, and it's working for me. I think I had the follicles, but then I needed a little help or push to, you know, actually get fuller edges. Watch me get fuller edges. Oh yes. Don't mind me. Okay, and this is the DILI Naturals Avocado Oil. I guess you already know what avocado oil is. It's oil from DILI. It's oil extracted from avocado. Yes, and it's 100% natural, as you can see. And this is the Neem essential oil. So this is what I'm going to be using today in treating my scalp, because neem oil has very good benefits for your hair, especially your scalp. It helps to treat scalp infections and scalp problems, and reduces dandruff as well. So I'm going to be using this neem oil on my scalp to treat whatever damages I have caused with my precious nails. So today I'm going to be using the neem oil. Yeah. Pardon me if my voice sounds a bit weird today, because I've been having problems with my throat and a whole lot of nothing. Yeah. I would have poured it into my my applicator bottle to make it easy for me to reach my scalp, but I have something in here. Even though it's little, I'm not ready to throw it away because it's some good stuff I've got there, which I'll be doing video on for you. Okay, so I'll just apply it directly to my scalp because my mirror is here, so my eye is going to be here most of the time. So I'll apply this to my scalp and massage it into my scalp. It smells so like Neem. Gosh, that bitter scent. So as you can see, I'm massaging it into my scalp. Oh, my phone is ringing. Sorry. My shower cap is, so I'm going to use a plastic bag. This to sit on my head for about an hour, and then I'll rinse it off and apply my deep moisturizing conditioner. Then just follow up with a regular simple wash day routines, and I'll give you the results after a week. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification so you get notified anytime I upload any new video. So until next time, please stay tuned and keep the love running. Keep the love on fire. I love you all. Bye.